Hey friends, if you encounter the error no output device installed error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. Now this is a very tough to resolve error and I'll tell you why. Because this means that the speaker is not being detected and it could be an issue at the hardware level as well. So to resolve it, our first approach will be to run the audio troubleshooter. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, you can scroll down and select troubleshoot and then select other troubleshooters. Click on run corresponding to the audio troubleshooter and run it. The next solution is to update drivers. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab. Click on advanced options, select optional updates and install all the optional updates. The next solution is a system restore. So search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open the recovery window. Click on open system restore. Select choose a different restore point. Click on next. Choose a good restore point. Click on next. Finish and then click on yes to initiate it. And lastly, reset your computer. So right click on the start button. Select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and select recovery. Click on reset PC and finally click on remove everything and then on cloud download and then click on next to initiate the recovery process. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.